Don't be afraid to skip out on drinking session with friends just because you have a workout plan in the next day. The fear of missing out is one of the reasons why you have not made progress yet. Deep down, you know you won't gain anything from engaging in unproductive activities. In fact, you might end up with regrets, hangovers, and wasted money, whether it's your hard-earned cash or something given by your parents. When I was at senior high school, I was not totally irresponsible yet, but I remember getting drunk almost every Friday or Saturday night, coming home around 2 a.m. or sometimes not coming home at all. And I remember namamakla pa kami noon. Ayoko nang pag-usapan yun. But I knew it was not doing me any good. I was just afraid of losing friends. It is just takot lang akong mawalan. Takot akong mawalan ng kaibigan. Or what if mag-story sila na wala ako? What if ang saya nila pero wala ako? Or what if may mga chicks doon at wala ako? And that FOMO ran always in my mind. And now that I am employed and saved by Christ, I work out and have a clearer view of what's important. There is something called the Great Separation, which happens around 18 to 25 and can determine the path of your life will take, whether it's the path of intention or the path of distraction. The path of intention involves making decisions that benefit your future self, and it is obvious what those choices are. The path of distraction is doing whatever feels good in the moment, living for the party, drinking, and nightlife, which is often driven by fear of missing out. You and I can get ahead in life by choosing the path of intention between the ages of 18 to 25, working out, focusing on Christ, self-improvement, and building wealth in alignment with God's will. 5 to 10 years from now, we will look back thankful to God that we work hard in the gym and put the effort in every area of our lives. This is the last task I need to do to make this day valid to the Project 50. Peace out.